Camaro. Let's get the opening up. I already know what some of it is, but you guys do not. So, let's get to slicing this stuff open. Guys, I know what this box is. Oh! Woohoo! Man! Oh, man! Would you look at that? Now that, my friend, that's a header. That's a header. One header. I'll set that nice neat there. And, well, you can't just do headers. Plural. So that means there's got to be two. So here's the other one. Man. Woo! Look at them. See what else we got? Oh yeah, we got some gaskets. Also with the header bolts. You want to come get a closer look at them? That is the header box. So we ordered some headers because we have something in the garage. Dad, do we want to show them what's in the garage too? Alright. Now this, my friend, we're going tonight to meet up with another dude to trade this cam and for another one because this one you see is too big. So we're going to get a new one shipped because this one's just way too big. But anyways, here we got here is, well, what the box says. Custom grind cam. It is too big of a cam to put in my car. Too big than what I want. Not too big to put in the car, but too big. It's bigger than what I wanted, so we're going to get a new one shipped. I also ordered some more stuff, even more. And I got more stuff coming, even more on the way. So, but this is what will arrive today. So let's see what's in this box. I really don't know what's in this box, guys. So I'm pretty much just as stoked and as lost as y'all would be on this box because I don't know. I ordered so much stuff, dude. I really don't know. So, like I said, I'm gonna be the same as y'all on this box. I really don't know what it is. Okay, this tape. Oh, there it goes. Alright, yeah, I don't know what this box actually is. I don't. It says from Summit. Oh, I know what it is because it just said it. Ooh, I know what this is. Sorry, guys. I know what this is now. Like I said, I've just been ordering so much. It's been hard lately to keep up with, really. But I now know and remember what this is. So, we ordered this from Summit Racing. And they came through. Dad, you don't want to miss this one. Because he doesn't even know. I mean, he knows that I ordered it, but he doesn't know. He's just as lost as y'all. Without some support under the car. BMR suspension, guys. And we have even more on the way. But we got us some BMR suspension to go under the car. And I even have even more. So, I believe this is the bushings. It has all the bushings in it as well. I believe for the whole car. I could be wrong though. But, like I said, there's only one way to find out. Even more. Oh man. Check these out. BMR suspension at its finest. Look at that red. That's some nice stuff. So, let's see what else we got in the box, I believe. Dad, you don't want to miss this. Come check this out. We got us some BMR suspension that came through. And I want to make sure that's it. I thought this was the whole kit. I don't think there's anything in that. But we do have one more box for today, and then we do have some more coming that should be here tomorrow. But Dad, check out the suspension.
So what came in that box? Okay.
BMR suspension.
I was gonna say, if all you got was paper, you got a problem.
Don't I love my BMR suspension? I got a good deal. Ooh, I know what this is. This is for the back of the car. Suspension parts, BMR all the way, baby. This whole car is gonna be suspension, BMR only, and we're getting there, and we ordered it. So, Dad knows what this one is.
Panhard.
This is for the rear of the car, and this is what I needed to come in. All right, there's some more stuff in there. That box?
Just bolts, hardware.
No, that's not. That's it could be the bolts, and then it could be the
Hardware.
bushing kit. Okay, this would be much easier just to get that razor blade butt. Woo-hoo! Check them out. Okay, so
Stickers
this,
are all torn up.
they're all right there. Sorry. We're gonna have to get a sticker on the back of this car.
There's something else in there.
There is. Alright, there's something else. Even more. We're dropping the bolts. Here, you just want to give me all the bolts. I can go set these down. Exactly here. Ooh. Wow, more. No paper. It's Christmas!
Here, let me cut it.
Even more. That about been good.
Unless they guessed it.
Yeah, I know. Alright. That is Christmas. The whole car's going to be built on BMR suspension, the best out there. Just put it all in here. We're going to get all of these installed. Headers are looking good. I mean, hey guys, let's just get this straight here, right here. BMR suspension. This is not sponsored by BMR suspension, but BMR, you can sponsor us. Feel free.
And if you don't like BMR, then you.
Tomorrow we have even more. I already know what's coming in that box. It's gonna be a lot. In one box, it's gonna be something.
Spectacular.
In the next box, and man, I'm just speechless right now because, man, I've been waiting for this. So, it's here, and I'm so happy it's here. I can't wait to get this on the car, especially these, just to hear what it's gonna sound like. So, guys, we're gonna have to catch you later because we gotta go and we gotta get on the road to sell this cam so we can get our new one. So, we'll catch you guys later. Peace.
Have you ever had a dream that you want him to do you so much you could do anything?